Okay, I'm showing you how you attach the tail. This is where you're starting from your stitch marker. You're going to single crochet 8 times, and that will get you to the starting point where you want to begin attaching the tail. Okay, now we're going to grab the tail. I've already fastened it off and woven in the end, and now I'm just folding it in half. So for these next 12 stitches, I'm going to put my hook through the top stitch on the bottom half. So I'm going to go through that stitch, and then I'm going to go through the legs like that and pull through just like a normal single crochet, except for you're going through 2 pieces of fabric essentially. So through the tail and through the legs, and finish off your single crochet as normal. You're going to do this 12 times. There's 24 stitches around that tail, so folded in half will be 12. And these are just going to be like normal single crochets on the legs as well. And every time you want to make sure you go through the tail and then through the legs. Just a normal single crochet. If you're having a hard time holding it, you can pin it or use stitch markers to hold the tail where you want it to be. That takes a little more time, obviously. I didn't need it here, but I did try it with my other one and I did like that. So once you get to the end, you're going to have a total of 12 across your tail. So this is what it should be looking like right now. You kind of have that line and you have a gap in your tail. That doesn't matter. Then from here we're going to single crochet 12 times to get to your stitch marker. Okay, on this round, again, you're going to single crochet 8 times to get to the top of that tail. Sorry, I went out of frames here, but 8 single crochets till you get to where you attach the tail. And now you're going to crochet on the top half of the tail. Like there's 12 stitches on the bottom, there should be 12 on the top here. So you're going to single crochet in each of those stitches across, and it's going to again be just the same as if you're going around the body of the dragon. It doesn't add or detract from what you should have already. And then again, you're going to crochet 12 to get to your stitch marker. There's a tiny little gap there. You can sew that shut if you need to, but it's really not as noticeable once it's done. And you're just going to continue going around the body from this point on.